Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. On the Solana chart, we just want to focus on the shorter time frame. I did discuss in my earlier video and yesterday also the larger time frame, the bigger time frame. So let's just focus on the smaller time frame, and there is no need at the moment to change the wave count at all. Also, the micro wave count, the microstructure that I shared with you in previous videos is currently being respected. The key level that I mentioned in the last video is currently holding, and the price indeed is moving further into the direction of that resistance area that we've been observing for the last few days. So the primary wave count is currently being followed, and the relevant support levels are holding, which is great. We had 3 great setups here recently, only really short-term setups, and to be honest, they are not for everybody because they were really here just part of this B-wave correction. Okay, this one wasn't, but these two here. But still, you know, they did hold, and that means that we are here on track with our wave count, for it to be filled in. I think it looks as if we are currently in an extended 5th wave of a C wave of that larger B wave. It is possible that I have to change the wave count a little bit depending on how high we extend here. But bottom line is the price turned around where it needed to. First of all, down here with this B wave low that was made on the 27th of November, targeting here the resistance area. Current rally is ongoing. And then we had another small pullback in a 4th wave. The price, again, I often say that a 4th wave reaches the 38.2 retracement level, the ideal targets. It did happen again a couple of times actually. That level was triggered, and we are now moving up in this C wave. The C wave is again a 5-wave move, and it looks to me as if we are still in this small 3rd wave. What would be an ideal target for the 3rd wave? So we take the length of that wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 2, and then we're watching actually for the area between the 1.236 extension and the 1.618 extension. Can of course still extend higher, but $63.70 to $65 would be the ideal target for this 3rd wave. We could then get still a 4th wave and another 5th wave higher to $66 or maybe even $68.30. And as the key level against which I would focus on higher is this one here. It is the wave 2 low that was formed today at around $59.60. So as long as this level is staying intact, we can still focus on higher. If that level starts to break, then I think that's it, because you need to see it is entirely possible that what we're doing here is just an ending diagonal because we're in a 5th wave. So it is possible I can already count 5 waves up, right? So it's a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. It's just not a very reliable wave count for various reasons, including Fibonacci extensions. But it means that we just need to be on the lookout. We're now entering resistance. We've been watching for higher prices here in this B wave since Monday, and those happened. And now we are, I think the easiest, let's say the easiest path or the easiest part of this rally is now done. And I think now we are getting into resistance territory. So we now need to be a little bit careful here. But for now, the momentum is still going. And the price doesn't show any indication of slowing down. If the price continues to push higher, which at the moment it seems like it's going to do, but pay attention to these fib levels, there is going to be a confluence between the 100% retracement level as well as the previous structural resistance, of course, around $68.30. So this could be a level where the price will get a bit of a rejection before, maybe technically this B wave can extend all the way up to $76. I don't necessarily expect that, but can I rule it out? No. It would work quite well in line with Bitcoin. Remember that Bitcoin is getting quite close now to its key target range, and that wave 2 pullback is coming at some point. And it might just be that Solana is just waiting for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin starts the wave 2 correction that we talked about in the Bitcoin videos, then why wouldn't Solana start the wave C to the downside, right? So there is quite a decent pullback that's on the agenda for Solana. So that could be very much in line with Bitcoin. But also Solana has still plenty of space in the current structure. Whereas Bitcoin also has some more space. But I'm just saying both are reaching key pivot points. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.